Okay, folks, example number 3, Zachary, says this. The temperature fell 14 degrees to negative 32 degrees Fahrenheit. That's where it ended. Which equation models this situation? What information does the solution provide? Now, let me do something. How's this, Zachary? I don't want to look at the models that they've given us. Okay, not right now. We'll come back to it. Now, what am I trying to find? It says which equation models this situation. Let's write the equation. There was a temperature. It fell 14 degrees. It ended up at negative 32. How do I write an equation for that?
You would write x minus 14.
Wait, before we do that, and you're exactly right, what does the x stand for?
That's the variable that stands for the temperature at the beginning before it fell.
Exactly. That's the temperature at the beginning, and now Zachary's saying it fell 14 degrees, so we do minus 14, because it went down. Now what, Zachary?
Equals negative 32.
Equals negative 32. Now they didn't ask us to find out what the temperature was when we started, but what would I do, Hannah? If I wanted to solve this and find out what the temperature was before the temperature fell, what would I do? I'd add 14 to one side? To both sides. Okay? What happens to these two, Hannah? And leave us with what? You could not have done that better. Thank you. What about when I put these two together? What do I get, Aiden, when I put 32 negatives and 14 positives? Is my answer going to be negative or positive? Negative. How many negatives do I have more than positives? 18. So it must have been negative 18 when we started, right? When the day started. Now that's not what the question asks us. I'm going to leave this here for the moment, and I'm going to move these things. Now, they wanted us to choose which one of these fits the information that they gave us. Well, let me do this. I'm going to move the equation that Zachary gave us. Don't you wish you could do that? Okay. Now, this is the equation that Zachary gave us. Is it like A? Is it like B? Is it like C? What do you think it looks like, Elizabeth?
A.
It looks like A. This models the information that they gave us. Okay? Everybody happy with that? Does that make sense? Man, that's awesome. Good job. Let me see if there's another one. Hang on just before we go. Oh, there's not. So you are ready for your homework. Get started.